Hello guys, welcome back to another awesome and interesting video. So in today's video, I am going to do unboxing of iPhone 15 without wasting time. Let's begin the video, so let's open the box. We have to see the phone. So let's keep the phone aside. Here we have to see the Type-C to Type-C charging cable. And below this there is some documentation. So let's keep the box aside and look at the phone. So let's turn on the phone. So as long as the phone is on, we will show its back panel and charging port. So from the back you will see something like this. This is its camera and a flashlight. So if you look from the left side, you will see a volume up or volume down button or an alert slider and SIM slot, or on the right side you will see a power on off button. So look below, you will see a Type-C charging port, or you can see a grill speaker along with it. So now, after turning on the phone, you will see some such interface. And you will also get to see a dynamic island in it. So let's see its camera and its camera features. So you will get these features. And in video recording you get 4K 60 frames per second. So inside this you get 6.1-inch XDR AMOLED Retina display. So if we talk about its pros, then in this you will get readable in most tested lighting conditions. Colors and photos are more vivid than in earlier models. Almost no frame drops in video playback. So if we talk about its cons, the 60 Hz refresh rate adversely affects smoothness when scrolling and playing games. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for awesome and interesting tech informations. And if you want to see the unboxing of Redmi 12 5G, then click on this video.